Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by pressing on this middle button, and here you have to choose your language, then click next, and here you can connect to mobile network or you can just click next. Now you have to agree to this agreements and then click next. And here you can set up this device from another device, or you can click set up manually, and here you can connect to Wi-Fi network, or you can just click skip and then click skip again. Now you can set up date and time, or you can just click next, and here you can set up your off-screen method, or you can just click skip and then click skip anyway. Now you have to scroll all the way down and click accept, and here you have to scroll down and click agree. Now you have to choose your display mode, or then click next. And click home. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.